A house without woman is just like a body without soul. Hello and good morning everyone. Today my lecture topic is women empowerment. Friends, if I talk about ancient time, we heard many names such as Maitreyi, Gargi, who had enjoyed a high status, and also many women have a great role to develop Indian culture, civilization, art, religion, music, and many women also took power in political system and enjoyed the status. But after the invasion from the Middle East, we see that how the woman was brutally hurted. But also in the time, British era, we see the Rani Lakshmibai was fought against British, and also our symbol was Mother India, and we devoted a song Bande Mataram. But friends, today why we are talking about women empowerment and what is exactly the women empowerment? Women empowerment is to give power to women to choose their life, to make them free to handle their own life, to take their own decision. And today we are talking because after the independence we saw women have regularly faced crimes, harassments, rapes, and many cases are there who are facing daily. And also their literacy rate is a matter of big concern in India. If we see some types of empowerment of women, like first is political empowerment, in which we talk about the dignity of women. They have losses after the times in the past time. Second is political empowerment, in which we are not providing the political rights to the women. We are providing by the law, but in the practical, on the ground, there is not any big participation of women in political system. Some other empowerment like economic empowerment, in which if we see any woman have a financially stable, then seeing like a powerful woman, and that empower women most. So we need to give opportunity, we need to make them employment. And also one survey said that if a woman participate equally as women, then India GDP will increase by 27%. Friends, if I talk about some government steps that has taken by the India, then we heard many schemes like Mahila women development scheme, some Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme, also some schemes in the women business sector and industrial sector. Friends, if I talk about my conclusion, we have seen in the defense sector, especially the NDA seat were given to the women, as well as Marcos and Garu Commando was allowed to join the women. And in the recent time, we have seen the growth of women development. But it is our responsibility to give power to the women to choose their own life. And in the Indian society, it is also matter of concern of honor killing, to choose marriage, choose also to choose their own career. These are depend on the parents and the brothers of the woman. But it should be for that woman, and that woman should take all the decision, and that will empower the woman most. So it is our responsibility to give them to make them empower. Thank you.